Hello everyone, welcome to JEC Dividend channel. So today I just want to give a little bit of background of myself and my current status in terms of finances and why you should persevere or even start investing regardless of your age. Alright, so me myself is 35 years old. Right, so already 35, already mid-30s with only like $11,000 in my US stock portfolio. Is not very fantastic, right, as compared to other YouTubers that you have seen or even your friends and families who already reach like maybe even 6 digits of their portfolio in their 30s, right? Then you will feel like inferior. But not to worry, because everyone need to start from somewhere, someplace. Because myself, I already started investing in my mid-20s after I graduate in 2014, right? But it's in Singapore stock market, it's not in US stock market, because at the point of time, I'm still new to investing, so I need to start somewhere I'm familiar with, like the businesses, banks, and etc. So I need to start with Singapore first, right? So I only start like 3 to 4 years later. I managed to hit my first $100,000, adding up on my cash balances as well as my stock portfolio. $100,000 in, I think it's in 28 or 29 years old. Fantastic, right? But after I got married, so I need to purchase a house, right? So I need to purchase a house, I need to put down some down payment. So all my money has been used, be it in the stock portfolio or in my cash balances, right? Or everything, even in my retirement account, the government retirement account is like your 401k, right? Everything has been used for the purchase of a property. So if you're saying that, myself at that point of time was in 30 years old, I purchased my first property. Right, so I have to start from 30 years old to 35, right? That's 5 years. So why can't I start from 30 onwards? Because I have to renovate my house, another payment that is something that I need to earn, right, on 31 years old. Right, so now it's 32. 32, I need to prepare for my kids. So I have to prepare some of the supplement and etc. to prepare for the kid. But eventually I have my daughter when I was in 35, which is this year, right? So these few years, some is preparation. 33 and 34 is to start investing in Singapore stock market. Then this year, my daughter was born, so very happy, and spend some amount of money, right, for delivery, tonic, help my wife to recover from the delivery. Then slowly starting back again, right? At the point of time in 32, 33 onwards, I started investing, but not that much, just a bit, like 30,000 per year, right? 30,000 with dividends, right? This year, 30,000 as well, but in separate account. One is in my retirement account, the government retirement account. And some is in Singapore stocks, and some is in my US stocks. And I started US stocks at first, because of the 30% tax rate, the 30% dividend tax. I took a back, whether to focus on growth or dividends. But, after the first 6 months of my investment in growth stocks, I decided to switch back to dividends after reviewing or watching some dividends YouTube videos, and I started back to invest in my dividends again. This is a similar situation, right? My strategy is similar to my Singapore portfolio. It's all about dividend, right? Because in Singapore, you don't need to pay dividend tax. That's one of the best benefit as compared to US stock market. So yeah, what I'm trying to say is, doesn't really matter when you start in 30s, 35, mid-30s, or even late 30s, or even 40s, right? As long as you start I believe that you can make a difference to your retirement passive income. Right? Because in your 40s, you might earn a lot more, maybe a bit more or a lot more depending on the nature of your job, so that you can invest more of your income into the stock market to earn some passive income. Right? It's not too late to start investing. Remember, it's not too late to start investing. So this is one of the things that I would like to share, because my friends around me was like, hey, because in my early 20s or 30s, I dabbled into investments, stock growth, not really care about dividends, but sometimes the growth didn't really go up, especially those invest before the 2020 crash. Right, so you might have suffered a bit loss, but you bounce back up again, you know. A lot of things happen during the 2020 period. So, yeah, this is my advice. So this will bring to the end of my third video of my channel. Hope you like it, and it's not too late. Once again, it's not too late to start investing now, but you need to take action right now. Alright, so thank you so much, and see you guys in the next video.